In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your WhatsApp web privacy using the privacy extension for WhatsApp web, brought to you by WaveULK. In our increasingly digital world, protecting our personal information online is more critical than ever. WhatsApp web is a convenient tool for messaging, but using it on a shared or public computer can compromise your privacy. So let's dive into how you can enhance your WhatsApp web privacy using a simple browser extension. The first step is to find and install the privacy extension for WhatsApp web by WayBulk from the Chrome Web Store. Open your browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, simply type in privacy extension for WhatsApp web WayBulk. When you locate the extension, click Add to Chrome to install it. Once the installation completes, you'll see the extension icon in your browser toolbar, marking the successful integration of the tool with your Chrome browser. Next, let's open up WhatsApp web. If you haven't done this before, you'll need to scan the QR code using your mobile device to link your account. Once logged in, you'll notice the extension icon on the toolbar. Click on it to access the extension settings. Here you can configure various privacy options to suit your needs. By doing this, you ensure that your settings are tailored specifically to how you want your privacy protected when using WhatsApp web. One of the primary features we want to highlight is the screen lock. Locate this feature within the extension settings and enable it. This will add an extra layer of security because even if someone gains access to your computer, they won't be able to view your WhatsApp messages without the password. Speaking of which, be sure to choose a strong password that only you know. Simply enter this password to unlock WhatsApp web anytime you wish to access it. This not only enhances security but also gives you peace of mind when leaving your computer unattended. Beyond just locking access to WhatsApp web, the extension also allows you to protect your data more precisely. You can selectively hide various elements such as user or group names, profile pictures, last message previews, all messages, media previews, and even the text input area. This is particularly useful if you're working in a cafe or an office and want to keep prying eyes away. Adjust these settings according to your privacy preferences so that you can enjoy the freedom of using WhatsApp web without worry. By following these steps, you can enhance your privacy, ensuring that your conversations and personal details remain safe and secure while using WhatsApp web. Remember, the digital world is vast and full of possibilities, but with the right tools, you can navigate it securely and confidently. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay private and stay safe out there.